Hello, in this video I will present a presentation on car engine components and their functions. Car engine components have their own parts. I will describe the components of a car engine from pictures, functions, and parts. Car engine parts: cylinder head parts, cylinder block parts, front engine compartment, cooling system parts, fueling system parts, lubrication system parts, fuel system parts. For those of you who are curious and want to know each components contains in these parts of the functions, images, and names, here I will summarize. Car engine components on the cylinder head. Cylinder head. The cylinder head is a part of the engine that is placed simulations with the cylinder block. In this sections, there is a combustion chamber and a spark plug holder. Not only that, you will also see a valve mechanism. Next, this is suction valve. The suction valve is a component of a car engine located on the cylinder head. Its main function is to open the suction channel so that the air intake process needed in the combustion chamber will be fulfilled. This is spark plug. Maybe for use, the spark plug is a familiar component. The main functions of a car spark plug is to sprinkle sparks when the combustion step occurs in the combustion chambers. Next, this is camshaft. In the sections, there is such a thing as the camshaft. This shaft functions to regulate when the inlet and exhaust valves will open. The process of opening the valve will function a point that is matched with a curtain tilt angle. This is rocker arm. The next component is called the rocker arm. The function of the rocker arm itself is a press for the cam to press the exhaust and suction valve for rods and functions to regulate how wide the valve gap is. Next, this is intake manifold. The functions of the car engine component in this section of the cylinder head is to become an air channel when it will enter the cylinder space. Not only that, the intake manifold component is also used to create a vacuum in the combustion chambers. This is a exhaust manifold. While the exhaust manifold has a function as a channel for exhaust gas from combustion, the gas will go through the exhaust manifold component and then will be channeled through the car exhaust so that it comes out into the free air. Next, car engine component in cylinder block. This is a cylinder block. There are many types of engine cylinder block in existence today, but of all these types, the main functions remains the same, namely as a support for various other engine components and a place for the rest and file of the piston. This is a gasket. The gasket is a cylinder engine component which has a flat shape and is made of strong material. Its function is to seal the connection between the cylinder block and the cylinder heads so that the lubricants inside does not come out. Next, this is a piston. Inside the cylinder block section, we will find a car engine component called a piston. Its main function is to convert the volume in the cylinder chamber. This is a piston ring. Piston rings are one of the most important components of a car engine because the function of the piston ring itself is to close the piston against the cylinder block wall so that no leak occurs during the compression stroke. Next, this is drive shaft. As the name implies, the driving rod is a component of a car engine that has a function as a link between the piston and the crankshaft. This is a crankshaft. Meanwhile, the crankshaft becomes the part of components that will be used to convert the energy up and down of the piston into a rotary motion. Next, car engine components on the front engine compartment. This is a timing chain assembly. This car engine component functions to connect the crank rotations to the crankshaft rotations. The goal is to make the valve mechanism work as expected. Next, this is timing chain cover. In addition, this section also includes a component called the timing chain cover. Its main function is to cover the timing chain assembly to avoid various kinds of dirt such as dust or others. This is a dynamo starter. Furthermore, there is a component called dynamo starter. The dynamo starter component has the most important task when you want to start the car's engine at the beginning of its rotation. Because through this component, the electrical energy from the car battery will be converted into rotational energy. Next, this is a belt driver made of rubber with a strong inox capability. The belt driver functions as a link between the engine pulley and other engine components such as alternators or others. This is oil cap. This is a component of a car engine that is also arguably important because the oil cap itself has a function to close the engine oil parts as well as a medium for refilling oil into the engine when the oil is changed because it is dirty. Next, car engine components in the cooling system. This is a radiator. Another car engine component that is equally important is the car radiator. The main functions of a car radiator component is as an engine cooling system by absorbing heat through the radiator. Water which will then be cooled through the cooling fins inside the radiator section. Next, this is cover the radiator. The radiator cap is a very important component of the car engine cooling system. The reason is that unlike other caps in this section, there are two valve mechanisms, namely the relief valve and the vacuum valve. Meanwhile, the main functions of the radiator cap itself is to be able to increase the boiling point of radiator water and keep the water from boiling at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. This is a thermostat. Another component in the radiator cooling system is the thermostat. The thermostat functions itself is used to maintain the temperature of the cooling water in the radiator. In addition, this car engine component is also used to accelerate the engine to reach working temperature. Next, this is a cooling fan. As the name implies, the car engine component in the cooling system section called cooling fan is a component with a function to help the cooling process of radiator water, which has hot temperature when it passes through the radiator vents. This is a reservoir tank. The reservoir or backup tank is one component of the car cooling system that functions as a reservoir or radiator water server. In addition, the function of this component is also to cool water vapor that appears when the car engine feels so hot. Next, car engine component in the fueling system. This is an alternator, shifting to the components part of the car engine for the fueling system. There is a component called the alternator. The main functions of this one component is to produce an electric current that will be used to charge the car battery. Next, this is regulator. Then there are also other components in a car engine that are contained in the charging system, and the name is regulator. The main function of this one component is to regulate the output voltage generated by the alternator to remain stable at 13.8 to 14.8 volts. This is a battery. In addition, there is also a component called a battery, or maybe better known as a car battery, which is where the main functions of this one component is to store the electrical energy produced by the alternator. For later, this energy is used as a supply for the ignition system, electrical system, and as initial driving force for a car engine. Next, car engine component in the lubrication system. This is a oil pump. Next, there is a component called the oil pump. Its main function is clearly a tool for pumping engine oil so that it can lubricate an oil component of a car engine that are on the lubrication line. Next, this is a oil filter. A car engine component in a lubrication system other than the above is an oil filter or oil filter, as it should be. The main function of this filter is used to filter out the impurities that are in the oil. This is a oil gauge filter. The oil gauge filter is located in the counter part on the oil pan pedestal. The function of this one component is to filter out the impurities in the engine oil in the culture sections, so that when the oil is sucked in and the oil pump is in clean conditions. Car engine components in the fuel system. This is a fuel tank. Another part of a car engine is the fuel system, where in this fuel system there are several other components such as the fuel tank or fuel tank. Its main function is, of course, as a reservoir for either diesel or gasoline fuel. Next, this is a fuel filter. Just like the oil filter, in the fuel system there is also a component called the fuel filter. This component functions to filter out the dirt in the fuel so that when it enters the carburetor and the combustion chamber is clean. This is a fuel line. To distribute the fuel, it can reach the inner components such as a carburetor. Usually, there is a component in the form of a hose or pipe, which is where the hose or pipe is included in the full line components. Next, this is a fuel pump. In a series of a car engine, you could say that several pump components are required. In addition to the oil pump and cooling water pump, there are also fuel pump components, which where this component is also often called a fuel pump. This is a carburetor, and the last car engine component is the carburetor. In the car itself, there are several types of carburetors that are usually used, where the main function of this component is to mix air and fuel with the ratio between fuel and air according to the needs and conditions when the car engine is running. Okay, that's all I can say. If there is a word, I apologize. Thank you for watching. See you.